Hey, what's going on today, guys? I've got November's Kawaii box. And I know you've seen my video, maybe other YouTubers that have opened these boxes, that the Halloween themed one was some pretty cool stuff. So, not sure what November would be, but I know probably in December is probably a Christmas theme. But I'm very eager to check it out. So let's see what goodies are in this one. From what I can tell, they got it taped up real good this time. Look like they used about 3 layers of tape. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Of course, the first thing always on the top gives you a little code. Let's see. They got the book on top too, so I know the theme. Okay. Magical Kawaii Adventure. Wonder what kind of magical stuff they got in here. Get the little pack paper out of the way. I feel something with like a cord in here. Must be like a gift bag type thing. Oh yeah. Cute, bubble, lovely rabbit. Pretty neat. Could possibly use this for like someone's Christmas present. That's gonna be handy. Okay. Next up, we got plushie here. Oh, it's a cute little. Oh, it's a keychain one too. It's a little squid, I guess you could say. I could add that with my others. I got some pinned up on the wall right now because I gotta buy me some more shelves since I moved. What we got next? Okay, some type of candy, but of course can't read it. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this later because I just got back from eating lunch a while ago. So this will be a little later snack. Okay. What new cool stuff they got? This feels a little bit bigger. It's not a pen, I don't think. Okay. It is a wand or a scepter. Maybe a wand. Like a fairy wand, I guess. Button. Okay, it's not coming on, so I guess you have to pull the tab. Interesting. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I know if you got kids, they would love that when they do dress up. See if I can find the pen in here since I like to collect them. What we got? Cool. We got a mermaid tail. And it's pretty much in the design like I've seen in like cell papers for think one of the stuff papers that was in the mail was Ulta. Looked like one of their makeup brush designs. That's kind of cool. Okay, we got. Okay, this one is looks like a bag clip. Little mermaid there. I'm kind of seeing the magical theme. You got underwater with a mermaid. You got the little wand. So it's a magical sea adventure, I guess you could say. Look at that here. Okay, it's like a Hello Kitty, but it says Hello Baby, so I guess a little comb for your toddler. That's pretty cool. I know of some people that could use one like that. They could probably hit me up on my Instagram or even email me and say they would want that. Okay. What we got in here? This feels like a little tiny jar. It is. Ah, message in a bottle style. Okay. That's interesting. Little tiny beads. Little papers rolled up and make it like it's messages. That's pretty cool. Even though I got the jacket on, it's still cold. Okay, and we got the pin for this month from Treat Art. It looks like it's a unicorn and maybe a fairy. I'm not sure if that's wings behind her or not. I love collecting these pins. That's pretty cool. Let's put this to the side. I still gotta get me a little table to put everything on. Okay, I think we're down to the final one, guys. Yep, all empty, and we have stickers for the last. So, of course, you can put it on gifts, stationaries, little chapter keeper binders, or even a photo frame. It says melty flavor on one of them. You got unicorns, rabbits, stars, balloons, lollipop. That's all pretty cool right there. Ow. Alright guys, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to keep seeing more cool videos like this, subscribe and hit the notification, and you'll always get the reminder when the videos come up. So anyways guys, y'all definitely have a great one.